Hello, this is ENGG104 and this video will be teaching you about series and parallel circuits in AC. First of all, what is AC? AC stands for alternating current and it is an alternating waveform. Different to DC, the current and voltage values in AC vary, as it isn't just a singular value. We can see this difference when amplitude is plotted against time in the graphs below. Because of the alternating values, we use vectors instead of scalars. This means there is a magnitude and a direction. This polar form is normally derived from the rectangular form, which includes complex numbers. To find the magnitude and direction, these equations can be used to convert the forms. Similar to DC, many of the same rules still apply to the AC series and parallel circuits. This includes Ohm's law, KVL, KCL, nodal analysis, and the current and voltage divider rules. Ohm's law is a little bit different in AC as we replace resistance with impedance, and voltage and current change values. We can have voltage and current in a few different ways, but the best way would be to use RMS values. We use RMS values changing voltage and current. RMS stands for root mean square, though it doesn't necessarily come in that order, as the idea is to square a bunch of values, then find the average or mean of the squared numbers, and then you square root that value. Or simply, you get the max value divided by root 2. Some types of circuits include RC circuits, which are resistor-capacitor circuits, RL, which is resistor-inductor circuits, LC, which is inductor-capacitor circuits, and RCL, which is a mix of them all, which is resistor, capacitor, and inductor circuits. In these circuits, we need to find impedance, as this replaces resistance. Without a capacitor or inductor, impedance usually is just equal to resistance. Otherwise, we use this formula to find the impedance. This is equal to resistance plus J times the reactance of the inductor minus the reactance of the capacitor. Or impedance can be found by the equation below. The reactances in the impedance formulas can be found by these equations, where they can change with frequency. XL is equal to 2 pi times frequency and the total inductance, and XC equals 1 over 2 pi times frequency and the total capacitance. So hopefully this has informed you more about AC circuits and that you enjoyed the video. Thank you and goodbye.